What is emotional intelligence? Emotional intelligence is what makes us tick. We observe and identify our emotions and thoughts and recognize our patterns. We use our discernment and wisdom to generate more choices. We turn possibilities and opportunities into personal realities. Cultivating emotional intelligence is one of the most powerful ways to transform our life by becoming consciously aware of our beliefs and feelings about ourselves. The practice of emotional intelligence teaches us the ability to recognize and understand emotions in ourselves and others, and the use of this knowledge affects how we manage behavior, navigate social complexities, and make personal decisions that achieve positive results. Emotional intelligence is about personal competence of our self-awareness and self-management skills, and focuses more on you individually than on your interactions with other people. It focuses on your ability to self-manage and remain aware of your emotions and your behavioral tendencies, perceiving them accurately as they happen, while remaining flexible to positively direct your behavior.